JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your MoneyGram account. Setting up your MoneyGram account is easier than ever. So all you have to do is download the applications right here in App Store or your Google Play Store, or just go to the website itself and then you'll have to register. From registering, you'll have to place your email address, your password, confirming that password, and you'll have one uppercase, one number, and one letter. So you'll have to select your phone number, of course, from where you live, and then from there you will have to just add in a little more information, such as your legal first name, your middle name, legal last name, and if it's listed on the ID, your second last name. Then you'll have to place your date of birth, your home address right here for billing, and your state, as you can see, and the zip code. Once you've done that, you'll be able to create your profile in no time. And it's just that simple. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.